Hey guys, it's me, CodeWarPlex. Welcome back to episode 4 of a Unity tutorial game series. Last video, we make our camera following our player. So today we will add a simple shooting system so the player can shoot bullets. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step number 1. Create bullet prefab. First, we create a bullet that our player will shoot. Right click in the hierarchy window, go to 3D object and select the sphere. Rename it to bullet. Then, write an inspector set XYZ at 0.2. After that, scroll down and add Rigidbody component and make sure to uncheck the Use Gravity option. The fair corridor is present. Step number 2. Create player shooting script. Right click at the script folder, go to create C script and rename it player shooting. Now, double click on the script to open it in your Visual Studio Code. Step 3. Write player shooting code. After that, erase this all and you can copy it from a description box. Public game object bulletPrefab. The bullet object to shoot. Public transform shootPoint. Position from where bullet starts. Public float bullet speed. Speed bullet moves forward. Void update. Checks if the space is pressed. Shoot. Creates bullet, sets velocity, destroys bullet later. After copying, save the file and head back to the Unity. Make sure if you have not an error. To check an error, go to console tab and as you can see I have some errors, so click on the error which you have so you can fix this error. Step number 4. Create shootPoint object. Create an empty game object as the child of the player. Right click at the player, create empty, then rename it shootPoint. Then right at the inspector, set the Z position at 1.5. As you can see, our position is now changed a little bit. Step number 5. Assign variables in inspector. Now assign the bullet prefab and shootPoint in the player shooting script inspector. Now drag the bullet from the hierarchy panel and put it in the player shooting script. Now drag the bullet file from the hierarchy panel and put into the project in a new file. After it come in a bullet file, then drag that bullet file into your bullet prefab. Step number 6. Test your shooting. Press play and shoot bullets by pressing space. Watch the bullets fly forward and disappear after 2 seconds. Awesome. Here now you can see our player can now shoot bullets. If I zoom, here you can see. Awesome. Your player can now shoot bullets. In the next episode, we will add enemies and shooting effects. And like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. Keep coding and don't forget to comment and share. Bye bye.